This Anglia Homes floor plan has it all. Upon entry you will find the study flex room with 9 inches ceilings. The open concept offers a spacious kitchen with granite countertops and opens to the dining and family room. On the first floor you will also find the master bedroom suite, which offers a large bedroom, master bathroom with separate tub and shower and a walk-in closet. This floor plan offers you complete privacy as all other bedrooms are upstairs with a large game room for your entertainment. Call me today for more information and let's make this home yours.